Recognize the protocol over here, and once that is done, please don't listen. The Kenya Golf Federation Chairman, Mr. Kavet Baku, Chairman Mudaika Golf Club, Mr. Bo Sierra.
Thank you very much.
One is accreditation. Both events, both the Magical Kenya Open and the Magical Ladies Kenya Open, have got accreditation for media. And those, I think, for Magical Kenya Ladies Open is already open, and for the Magical Kenya Open will be open a week before that for people to be accredited. And we do have press media centers in both events where the media can come in, they are taken care of in each of the events. So that is already there. It's just a question of you need to get the letter from your media house, and then you get accredited. On the Golf for Good has got several aspects. One which has been happening over the last 4 or 5 years, and that is the fact that we have been reducing the amount of waste that we're putting into the professionals who have different abilities, who have played golf at a professional level and are being paid for it. And the CSN says, why don't you have this in Kenya? So it's taken us that period of time to organize it. And the way it works is that this year, for the first time, there will be 2 ladies with children who want to play golf and who are differently able, will also be able to come and watch this. So I hope we've been able to answer all the questions, and I don't think there's any more.
The Magical Kenya Open is truly a premier event. The only event on the DP World Tour south of the Sahara, north of the Limpopo, East, Central and West Africa. In fact, besides Kenya, you only have South Africa, Mauritius and Morocco on this tour on the continent, on the whole continent of Africa. That should tell you how premium this event is and how proud Kenya should be to play host to these 2 events. And that is why government remains fully committed to not only sponsor this event, and we sponsor this event with the infusion of a good amount of money, running into hundreds of millions of shillings. But we also are glad to provide other support, other supporting requirements, talk about security and other facilitation for these events. And all our visitors, the fans, the players,